I'm sick of hanging around the house all day, cooking meals, and he doesn't even bother to get home from work on time.
Hi, Beryl. What's for dinner?
Where have you been, Bob? You've been down at the bar. Well, dinner's cold, and I'm sick of waiting for you.
I've had a hard day at work at the mill pond and just had a couple of beers with the boys.
A couple of beers with the boys. Well, it's all right for you, but the kids have been driving me crazy.
I know you reckon they're mine, but sometimes I'm not so sure, Beryl. You know, I've never heard them quacking.
Of course they're yours, Bob. They just haven't developed their feathers yet. I think I'd better change the conversation. I'm exhausted, Bobby. How about we have dinner later and enjoy a spa now?
Ah, good idea, my little fuddle duck.
Let's consider our little argument water off a duck's back.
Okay, let me help you get more comfortable.